So here's how to see who liked you without gold on Tinder. Keep in mind that there's no proper way to see who liked you without Tinder Gold, but I will show you the next best thing. But before we start, if you don't already have Tinder, you can click on my link down in the description. So as you can see, we're now in our Tinder application. Over here on the bottom, you can see multiple options. Tap on the one that says likes. Once you're here, you will get to see all the likes that you've received on Tinder just like this. And on the right, you have top picks. This is where you will find the top picks by Tinder. So let's head over to the likes section. This is the best way that you can see who liked you on Tinder. As you can see, the picture and name is blurred. You can only make an informed decision based on the blurred picture and the age and distance. If you see their profile, you may be able to connect the dots and figure out who liked you. And that is exactly how to see who liked you on Tinder without gold.